Hey everybody, Mark here, and today what we're going to talk about is the present continuous. Present continuous, this is lesson 6 in our course, right? Lesson 6, present continuous. And this present continuous is not the present continuous we talked about before. It's not the present continuous I am teaching now, you are watching a video now. It's a different present continuous. This present continuous, we're going to use the same pattern, but we're not going to talk about what's happening right now. We're going to talk about what's happening in the future. These are called future arrangements in English. So here are 3 examples. Let me read them for you. I'm having lunch with my friends tonight. We're getting married in August. I'm leaving on Friday and coming back in 2 weeks. All of these things are not right now. All of these things are plans in the future. So we'll talk a bit about how we use those. And again, just like before, we're using the same exact grammar as we used for present continuous. We're using a be verb, am is are, and then we're using an ing verb to make this grammar. So again, I hope that's easy for you. If not, go back to our lesson 2 or 3, where we talked about the present continuous regular usage. All right. So now I want to show you guys some examples of ways we can use these future arrangements, again with our present continuous. So what is it? Again, when I say the word arrangement, you see here I have my calendar. Calendars are where we put our future arrangements. And that's what a future arrangement is. It's something that's a strong future plan. I know when it's going to happen. Okay, 2 p.m. tomorrow. I know where it's going to happen, at the mall, at the shopping mall, at our school, at the park. It can be anywhere, but I know where, I know when. And then this is not always true, okay? Not always true, but often arrangements are when we plan something with another person. If I say I'm meeting my friends for dinner, I'm playing tennis with my colleague, I'm watching Mark's video on Thursday at 4 p.m. That would be an arrangement where you've made the plan, often with your friend or your wife, your husband, your colleague. That's an arrangement. So let's see, again, we got our idea here. Think about your plans for this week. Do you have any strong plans? Any plans that you are very sure are going to happen, right? Again, same as before, our idea. You're very, very sure that it's going to happen. Take a look now. I'll give you about 10 seconds. If you have your phone, pull out your phone, look at your calendar for the week, and think, which of these are my strong plans? All right, so hope you have those plans in mind. Let me think about my future plans, right? I'm going to do 3 examples here. You can also ask your friends if they have any plans for the week. And usually the way I do this is I say, what are you doing at tomorrow? What are you doing at 9:30 tomorrow? What are you doing at 11:30 or 12:30? What are you doing at 6:30 tomorrow? And then they can respond just like this. Whoops. Here I am. Oops, one more time. 9:30, what am I doing? I'm teaching English. I can tell them, what are you doing at 9:30? Oh, at 9:30, I'm teaching English. What are you doing at 12:30? 12:30, I'm having lunch with my friend. And then, 6:30, dinner time. Okay, I'm meeting my in-laws. I'm meeting my wife's parents, right? My in-laws, I'm meeting them for dinner. So we're using that present continuous, that be plus ing, to show that this is a strong, strong plan. It's going to happen, definitely. I'm meeting, I'm having, I'm teaching for the future. Okay, so actually, guys, that is it. That's all there is to the present continuous. I hope that helped you guys. Please think about how you can use the present continuous in your own life. And I'll catch you in the next video where we'll be reviewing some more of these present and future tenses. All right? So see you then.